In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark theme in Google Chrome. If you're looking to make your browser easier on the eyes at night, or you just prefer a sleek, modern look, switching to dark theme is a quick change you can make in a few clicks. I'll walk you through the process clearly, point out what to look for on your screen, and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three vertical dots. This icon is often called the Chrome menu. Click it to open a drop-down panel. If you don't see it, make sure your window isn't too narrow or in full screen mode hiding the toolbar. Once the menu is open, you're ready for the next part. From the menu, move your mouse to the section labeled More Tools. When you hover over it, a side menu appears. In that side menu, click Customize Chrome. Depending on your version, you might also see Customize Chrome listed directly in the main menu, or it may open a side panel automatically. The goal is the same. You want the customization pane where you can change how Chrome looks. If a panel opens on the right side of your browser, you're in the right place. Inside the customization area, look for the theme options and choose dark. As soon as you click dark, Chrome will switch to a darker interface, including the tabs, toolbar, and new tab page. This change helps reduce glare in low light environments and can feel more comfortable for extended browsing. It's worth noting that some websites manage their own appearance, so their pages might not always change to dark. That's normal. Your Chrome interface is now dark, and many sites that support dark mode will follow suit based on your browser setting. Take a moment to browse a couple of tabs to make sure you like the look. If you ever want to go back, you can return to the same customization area and pick light again. You may also see a system option in some versions of Chrome, which matches your computer's theme automatically. If consistency matters to you, sticking with dark ensures Chrome stays dark all the time. That's all you need to do. Click the three dots, open More Tools, and select Customize Chrome, then choose dark. Simple, fast, and easy on the eyes. If this helped, consider applying dark theme across your other apps for a more comfortable, unified experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Chrome dark theme.